Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to use calendar in Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. In addition to sending and receiving mails using Outlook 2007, and also we have so many features in Outlook 2007. We can schedule our events and appointments using calendar. MS Outlook Calendar is the scheduling component of Office Outlook and is fully integrated with email, contacts, and other features. With the calendar, we can create appointments and events, organize meetings, view group schedules, send calendars to anyone through email, and so on. We can set this in day-wise, week-wise, and monthly-wise. Day view shows one day at a time. To move to the next day or previous day, we can use back and forward navigation buttons. In week view, we have two options: show work week, which displays the days that we select in the calendar option. This view is selected by default. If you want to modify this, come to tools, select options, come to calendar options. Here you can select the days that you want to display. Show full week displays the full 7 days in a week. We can switch between this customized work week view and full week view by selecting the option. We have one more option. If anyone asks you to display certain number of days up to 10 days in the week view at a time, select the calendar grid and press Alt and select any number between 0 to 9 as per our requirement. Similarly, press Alt 4. It will show only 4 days. Alt 7. It will show week. Month view includes 3 options: low, medium, and high. Low display only events in the calendar. Events are items that are scheduled to last all the day and do not have a specific start time or end time. Medium displays events and appointments. Appointments are represented with a solid bar within the calendar cell relative to the time of day that they are scheduled. High displays events and appointments. Appointments are listed with the start time, subject, and location. Let's enter some activity. Come to week view. On the top it is showing the days and the left side it is showing the time. I want to enter a activity at 3 p.m. and after that come to next week. Here I want to add and come to month view to see the schedule, and here it is showing the birthday event and jubilee celebrations. To add a appointment with location and time, click on the date and come to subject. Here client meet, location Viceroy Hotel, and it is showing the date and time. Click on save and close. If we over the cursor on this date, it will show the appointment, location, and the time. Again, to go to mail, click on mail, and to save the mails in a particular date, select the mail, just drag it to the calendar. If you want to change the subject, you can change it, and if you want to add the data, you can type it here. And after that, click on save and close, and all the events and appointments are showing below the to do bar in the right side. Let's check this in the calendar. Come to calendar, and on 10th date it is showing the mail. Like this we can use calendar in Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.